If the hotspot is not working properly on your OnePlus 15R, we need to go to settings and we're gonna choose mobile network, and then let's go to personal hotspot. Now in here we can of course go to the hotspot settings in order to find some of the options that might be quite helpful to adjust to ensure that the hotspot is working correctly. So one of the first things that you can do is you can go to the AP band option in here, and you might want to switch from 5 GHz to 2.4 GHz, which ensures that your hotspot is more compatible with all devices, especially if that other device is perhaps like slightly older. This might be the reason why the hotspot cannot be found, for example, or why another device cannot connect to your hotspot. So switch to the 2.4 GHz. And also we have the Wi-Fi 6 protocol, which of course allows you to have a faster hotspot, but on the other hand, if other devices do not have Wi-Fi 6, if they do not support Wi-Fi 6, then of course your hotspot might not be working on those other devices. So you might want to turn off this option in here as well. You can of course hide the hotspot, which might be useful in certain situations, but of course as a result, if you go to the Wi-Fi lists or list of networks, Wi-Fi networks on another device, then your hotspot might not be detectable, of course. Well, it's not even that it might not be, it's not going to be detectable. You can still of course hide the hotspot and use the QR code instead, but still I can recommend you trying out the Wi-Fi hotspot, even if you don't really want to hide the hotspot. So when you activate the hotspot in here, below, right next to the hotspot settings, we have this QR code icon, and you can tap over here to generate the QR code of that hotspot. So if on that another device you can scan Wi-Fi QR codes, then you can use that in order to connect to the network immediately. Also, we have this option, automatically turn off personal hotspot. After 10 minutes, if no device is connected to your hotspot, then the hotspot will be automatically deactivated. So if you need more time than 10 minutes, you might want to turn off this option. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.